Hey everyone!
Welcome to our first video. So we're currently in the Outerbanks of North Carolina, specifically in Avon, and this is the start of our coast-to-coast road trip.
So we have actually recently been renovating my family's old RV. We ran into some issues and it's currently in the shop, so we're hoping to get an update on that soon, but you know, making do with what's going on with the situation right now.
Yeah, so we decided not to let that stop us, so we're starting our coast-to-coast trip without the RV, but we're hopeful to have it for the remainder of our trip. Oh, and we'll post a before and after video of the renovation.
So without further ado, check out our footage from the Outer Banks.
Here's the view from our Airbnb. In the back. Mercy. Alright, so we're on a mission. Number 1, caffeine. Number 2, tank top. Alright, Jacob. Taking a little detour at the Cape Hatteras lighthouse. There she is. Alright, so they're not actually letting people go up because of COVID, but that's okay because we both went up when we were kids, so. Stopped at a little farmer's market here and got myself a Saints mask. Who dat? Got a cool shirt. I got my Safe here, Avon. Hello! 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 Got Chef Carol here making some goodies.
Yeah.
What you making?
Tempeh tofu casserole.
Mmm.
Teriyaki. I don't know. We'll see. Looks good. Pinterest inspired.
Mmm.
Well, that's a wrap for our first video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up.
And if you want to tag along for the rest of our adventures, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to be notified whenever we upload a new video, hit the little bell icon. Alright, thanks for watching.
Thanks.
Bye.
Just enemies.
Take 2.
If you liked it, go ahead and hit the thumbs up. And I don't know. I forgot how to end it.
That was it. Just thumbs up.
Okay.